Because it's quite a small flat, we're on top of each other.
You just take up too much space.
I just take
up. I don't know how else to describe it. All your stuff.
My stuff? You're the one with all the stuff.
We're both very creative, which makes things quite interesting.
Jade likes to sing when she's painting, and she'll start singing, and then I'll be like, Jade!
And then eventually I'll get frustrated and I'll throw the paintbrushes and I'll be like, I can't work under these conditions.
It's ridiculous.
I kind of reach a point where I just don't want to paint in there anymore, and that is the only space to paint.
It's unrecognizable.
It feels so big.
I have a new desk, which is just so much better for me now. I've got a lot more room for all my equipment. Delighted with it. I can already feel like calmer in this room.
I have a lot more room to paint in here. I've got storage for all my paints and things now. Actually having somewhere to keep them is going to be much tidier. I think we'll work much better together in this room now. It's definitely going to make things a bit more harmonious. This is Joe's dinner table. My dinner table is a small stool. I love this. This is beautiful. This is really cool with the light. The dining table is just fantastic. I'm not going to be eating on the sofa anymore.
It's multifunctional now. We can socialize with friends, card games or board games, or having a bit of dinner. Yeah, it's delighted with how it's turned out.
It's not a very nice room to be in. There's a lack of storage. Everything is falling apart. I have a kitchen! Ah, it's so exciting. Compared to what we had before, the kitchen is just unbelievable.
There's so much storage. It's nice and bright in here. I like the color.
We've got loads and loads of storage and different shaped cupboards for storing different things and soft clothes. It's really, really great. It's definitely a much more usable space now. We're going to be able to cook and be sociable in there.
It's opened everything up a lot more for us. We feel calm, more creative, and a bit more inspired now to do what we love to do.